never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get Need for Speed Unbound for completely free. So essentially this is a digital code in which you input on the platform of your choice, and it's going to unlock the download for the full game. Basically this is the same as if you purchased a digital version of the, for example, the Xbox Store, the PlayStation Store, or within Steam. So let me show you how you can go ahead and get this code. You need to go to the following website. As you can see, I've got it in the background. I'm going to get it on my mobile phone now. So it's easier on your mobile phone to do. There's a human verification step, and the mobile phone process is so much easier than on your desktop, but you can do it on your desktop. So you need to go to www.giftcardhero.net. Type it exactly the same as that and press go. Okay, so it's going to take us to this page. Now we need to find the Need for Speed Unbound game code page. So you go to menu, and I'm just going to type in the search bar NFS for Need for Speed, and it's there. So we're going to click this page and scroll down. As you can see, exclusive code, free digital copy of Need for Speed Unbound, 1500 codes are left. We need to click this get game code button, and it's going to take us to this website. So you need to enter in your username or your gamer tag of the like your username on the platform of your choice. Okay, I'm going to click the fast mode. Basically it just speeds it up, and I'm going to press connect. Okay, so it's connecting. Basically this just double checks your username is correct. So choose the platform. I'm on PlayStation, so I'm going to click PS and get Need for Speed Unbound digital code. It's going to do some complicated things. So we just need to wait for this to complete. It's a pretty cool website this. It's got all sorts of games and other things on here. Okay, so it's found us a code, and now it says before our system provides you a unique code and exclusive Need for Speed Unbound digital code, you will need to pass the human verification step. This is to confirm you are not a bot. Essentially, there's a human verification step that you need to complete. This is to stop basically bots coming on and automatically stealing all of these game codes. As you can see, they are limited, so there is a verification process to ensure that the right people get the codes. So you just need to click the verify now button, and it's going to bring you to a authentication step, and it's all completely free and it's pretty quick. You just need to complete a couple of the free offers on the other page, installing a couple of apps, or just completing a couple of quick surveys. This is just to confirm that you are a real person. So it's super easy. I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I just had to complete 2 surveys, and it asked for my email address. So I had to input the correct information. Obviously, I don't want it to think I'm tricking the system, because basically it's a verification that you are a real human. So now we go back to this page, and there we go, verification complete, and it's given us the game code there. So this digital code, because I'm on PlayStation, I can go ahead and enter this on my PS4 or on the PSN website, and it's going to allow me to download the game. Basically, it unlocks the game to be downloaded. This can work on all platforms. Obviously, this code is available for one person to use for PlayStation. I'm not going to use it. Sorry about that, guys. Got a bit of a cough. Anyway, guys, so you want to go and get your own code. You've got to go to giftcardhero.net, go to the Need for Speed page, follow all of the instructions in this tutorial, and it's super easy. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's a little bit of hassle, but I mean, you are getting a free game out of it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last.